If you want to know how you can pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step method on how to do that. So first of all, just press and hold the side button on your Galaxy Fit 3 to turn it on. And release the button once you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And as you can see, our Galaxy Fit 3 is turned on. Now just swipe up and tap on language. And from this list, just select your language. After selecting your language, now on your Android phone, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install the Samsung Wearable app on your smartphone. Once the Samsung Wearable app is fully installed, then tap on Open. Tap on More, and tap on Start. Now just select Allow. Now under the Available Devices section, you will find the signal of your Galaxy Fit 3. Just tap on it. Now you will receive a notification to pair your band with your phone. Just tap on Pair and Connect. Select Pair. And from here, just select I agree to all. Then tap on Continue. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now if you want to enable auto backup, just enable this toggle, otherwise you can tap on Next. Now from here, just select the orientation of your band on your wrist, just select on which hand you're wearing your band, and also on which side is the side button on your band. If you're wearing it like this, it will be on the left side, but if you're wearing it like this, it will be on the right side. After doing that, then tap on Next, and tap on Continue. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now on your band, just tap on Skip. And as you can see, this is how you can connect your Galaxy Fit 3 to your Android phone. Now sometimes it might ask you to log into your Samsung account on your phone. Just log into your Samsung account using your email on your Android phone. And if you do not have a Samsung account, you can use your Gmail. And it might also ask you to download some plugins from the Google Play Store. Just follow the steps mentioned on the screen to successfully download the plugins on your smartphone. And this is how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.